Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm pleased to rise in the House today to recognize Agincourt Collegiate Institute, a high school in my riding of Scarborough Agincourt, for the impressive 100 years of operation. Recognized as the oldest high school in Scarborough, ACI has continued to be a leader in education with a strong academic record, award-winning music and sports programs, and engaged, inclusive student body. In 2012, two grade 12 students, Matthew Ho and Asad Mohammed, made international headlines. They successfully launched a homemade balloon and Lego man into our stratosphere. ACI teachers Ashley Lynott, Karen Randall, and Tammy Cooper, and students formed the ACI Straight Gaze Alliance 7 years ago to promote safe and inclusive learning environment. Mr. Speaker, recently the Premier and I visited their school in the 2015 International Pink Day, celebrating diversity and combating bullying. It is not a surprise that many ACI students gone on to become leaders in their community, including the famous actor Jim Carrey, Michael Overs, founder and CEO of Pizza Pizza, Ed Clark, former president and CEO of TD Bank Group, and Jean Kennedy Campbell, former public health nurse and recognized Scarborough matriarch. Speaker, tomorrow I'll be joining hundreds of students and alumni and the community in celebrating the achievement in education ACI has made for the past 100 years. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.